Hey there, budget bosses! If you're feeling the squeeze of a low income, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you how to master budgeting with a low income in a fun and easy way. Yep, you heard me right. Fun and budgeting in the same sentence. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to know where your money is going. And no, that doesn't mean stalking your bank account like a hawk. Grab a pen and paper or use a budgeting app. Whatever floats your boat. List out all your expenses, from rent to that sneaky coffee habit that creeps up on you every week. Be honest with yourself. This is a judgment-free zone. Next up, let's tackle the big E word, essentials. These are the must-haves in your life, like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Think of it as your financial survival kit. Rule of thumb, if you can't live without it, it's an essential. Netflix? Sadly, that's a luxury, my friend. Speaking of luxuries, let's talk about those. We all have our little splurges, whether it's eating out, shopping sprees, or those fancy lattes. It's crucial to identify these and set a limit. Yes, you can still enjoy them, but within reason. Maybe swap that daily latte for a weekly treat. Your wallet will thank you. Okay, here's a fun part. Finding ways to cut costs without feeling the pinch. Challenge yourself to a no-spend day or even a week. It's like a financial detox. Trust me, you'll get creative with what you already have. Also, try meal prepping. Not only will you save money, but you'll also avoid the temptation of takeout. Oh, and don't forget to hunt for deals and discounts. Become a coupon queen or king. There are tons of apps and websites out there that can help you save a few bucks here and there. Remember, every little bit counts. Now, let's talk about saving. Yes, I know, it seems impossible when you're living on a tight budget, but it's doable. Start small. Even setting aside just $5 a week can add up over time. Create an emergency fund for those unexpected expenses that always seem to pop up at the worst times. Think of it as your financial safety net. Lastly, stay motivated. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Maybe you managed to save $50 this month. Give yourself a pat on the back. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. Make it a game, involve your friends, and share tips and tricks with each other. So there you have it, folks. Mastering budgeting with a low income can be both fun and easy if you approach it with the right mindset. Remember, it's all about balance, creativity, and staying positive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more budget-friendly tips. Until next time, budget bosses.